Hello everyone, I'm Anime from Design Your Story, an educational channel that helps to answer some questions in the field of digital marketing with years of experience in the industry. Today, I'm here to guide you through the fascinating world of digital marketing. Whether you're new to this field or looking to brush up your knowledge, this video is for you. So, let's dive in. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is a broad term that encompasses all marketing efforts leveraging electronic devices or the internet. It's about connecting with and influencing potential customers online. In this digital era, where most of our daily activities are online, digital marketing plays a crucial role in reaching the right audience at the right time. Why is digital marketing so important? Well, it allows businesses to reach their target audience where they spend most of their time online. It increases brand awareness, drives customer engagement, and ultimately, boosts sales. There are several types of digital marketing. Let's briefly go through each one. SEO, search engine optimization. This involves optimizing your website to rank higher on search engine results pages, thereby increasing the amount of organic, or free, traffic your website receives. Content marketing. This focuses on creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. Social media marketing. This involves promoting your content and interacting with your target consumers on social media channels like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. Email marketing. This is a way to communicate with your audience by sending emails, typically to a group of people. It helps you build a relationship with potential customers or clients. Pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, placing targeted ads on search engines, social media platforms, and websites to reach specific audiences. Mobile marketing, reaching customers on their mobile devices through SMS, apps, and mobile-optimized websites. Affiliate marketing, partnering with other websites or influencers to promote your products or services in exchange for a commission. Now, let's talk about some effective digital marketing strategies. Having a website. Your website is your online storefront. It's where potential customers can learn more about your business, your products or services, and how they can purchase them. Leveraging SEO. By using SEO, you can increase your website's visibility on search engines, making it easier for potential customers to find you. Utilizing social media platforms. Social media platforms are a great way to reach and engage with your audience. You can share content, respond to customer queries, and even run ads. Data-driven approach. Digital marketing thrives on data. Marketers use analytics tools to track website traffic, user behavior, and campaign performance. This data allows them to target the right audience, understand who your ideal customers are and where they spend their time online. Personalize your message, tailor your content and offers to individual preferences and needs. Measure success, track the results of your campaigns and make adjustments to optimize performance. Constant evolution. The digital landscape is constantly changing, and so is digital marketing. New platforms and technologies emerge all the time, requiring marketers to be adaptable and willing to learn new skills. This makes digital marketing a dynamic and exciting field to be in. Measurable results. Unlike traditional marketing methods, digital marketing offers a clear picture of your return on investment, ROI. You can track the results of every campaign and see exactly how many leads and sales you generated. This data-driven approach allows you to make informed decisions about where to allocate your marketing budget. Global reach. With the internet, businesses can reach customers all over the world. This opens up exciting opportunities for growth and expansion, regardless of your physical location. In conclusion, digital marketing is a powerful tool for reaching and engaging with your target audience. By understanding and implementing the strategies we've discussed today, you can take your business to new heights. So that's it for now. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more informative videos on digital marketing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.